Alright, it's 5 in the morning and we're going to a racetrack. It's cars, don't worry guys, no animals. It's a 4-hour trip. Gas station.
Sammy Sweetheart.
Yeah, I don't know why I called you Sammy. Maybe that's not like a dude nickname. You know, it's fine. I'm gonna stick with Sammy. Oh, this is the worst shot ever.
Guys, this is a species that's indigenous to Hampshire. It blooms in late July and stays around for the next 32 weeks.
Okay.
I'm trying to park the left lane.
Come on, slow your pretty car down so I can film it. Oh, how considerate. He really slowed down. Alright, so this is the racetrack. They like race each other in one line, and that's one of my friends. And that's one of my friends.
Yeah, we made it to Honda Day.
Gonda Fest. It's not a weed festival. Okay. So this car basically like that motorcycle's its baby, I guess. Like grass in it. Oh, sorry. This car has a little hookah, it looks like, and I think it won some sort of award. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Dragon Ball Z.
Oh, yeah, let me know.
And we get to see the happy cars. You think they won? Oh, well, you guys could read the board. Oh yeah. When do they start driving? in traffic.